Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to write a CV with ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a platform that you can consider it as a personal assistant for your research, for your for your essays, for your anything that you want from ChatGPT. Once you are specific with your request, ChatGPT will provide you with the necessary data that will help you write your essay, write your resume, or help you start your journey as a content creator. So basically, you write your ChatGPT right here. Okay, you write the message to ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT will provide you with the data. So first of all, log in with your account on ChatGPT, whether it was Microsoft's or Google account, or even if you have your own personal account on ChatGPT, go ahead and log in with your account, and basically what you're gonna do, you get a message to ChatGPT. So in my case, I'm gonna write my CV, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just paste the thing that I just copied right here. I want to apply for a job as a content creator at Nivea, which provide resources for people considering my career in medicine. I have 7 years of experience and give me an appropriate template for my CV. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and forward that message to ChatGPT, and as you can see, they will design a resume just for your own experiences, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see how the template is shaped by ChatGPT within seconds. So as you can see right here, education section in the city and all that, you can edit it on your own time. And basically right here you're gonna see the skills, right, in the portfolio and personal affiliations, and basically references. This template highlights your extensive experience and skills relevant to the content creator role at Nivea. Tailor the details to match your actual experience and the specific requirements of the job posting. Good luck with your application. So as you can see right here, if you scroll up, you're gonna be able right here to see the resume tailored to your experience exactly. Once you are specific, once you get very specific about your request, ChatGPT will provide you with the accurate response or accurate resume or accurate essay about your niche. Okay, so basically that's it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.